Welcome to bubble sort. Bubble sort is one algorithm used to sort a sequence of numbers. The scales at the right end of the sequence will compare the number on their left and right side. In this case, they will compare 7 and 6. After comparing them, if the number on the right is found to be smaller, the number will be swapped. 6 is smaller than 7, so the number got swapped. After the comparison is finished, the scale move one position to the left. The numbers are compared once again. This time 6 is greater than 4, so the number don't get swapped. The scales move one position to the left. This operation is repeated until the scales reach the left end of the sequence. The scales have reached the left end of the sequence. In one round of the operation, the smallest value in the sequence have moved to the left edge. The number on the left edge is considered fully sorted, and the scales are moved back to the right edge. The same operation are repeated until all of the number are fully sorted. Sorting is complete. This concludes the explanation of bubble sort.